Topics regarding the federal drug policies. As we all know, that there is a large problem for having drugs intake in United States and around the world. For these activities, there were large penalties and imprisonments were put forward. These were taken care from the year 1980s, and it was taken into a serious consideration where many people were trained to stop these activities and get held them and make them imprisoned and give them high penalties, which were most important step to stop the drug trafficking and people getting involved into the drug activities. For these kind of activities, the people who were caught hold and been given an penalties, they were put forward for the rehabilitation centers where they were trained to stop intaking the drugs and making themselves to a better person to live a better life. We have seen a lot of activities and speeches and debates during the 2016 presidential elections, where it was said that most of the aspects were tried to stop the drug intake, and in these kind of activities, some were taken into consideration and some were ignored. Where there are some aspects which has been noticed that several drugs need to be made legal, but most of the people try to stop these activities. With the change in the enforcement in the law, there was an activity which was put forward called LED, which means law enforcement assisted diversion, which was kept in an existence with the help of connecting to the people and which were involved in the crimes, where these people were supplying drugs and several other activities. This led mainly enforced to stop these activities and put them in the control. And in spite of these many actions, the several activities have been mostly taken, and huge amount of money is being invested in trying to make the people not to go towards the drugs and make people good and live good lives. Thank you.